Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to speak at the hospital. Don't worry, I will use simple English and speak slowly. Let's begin. At the hospital, we use simple words: doctor, patient, medicine, pain, appointment. These words are very useful. I am not feeling well. I have a headache. I need a doctor. Where is the hospital? These are basic sentences. Now, listen carefully.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I am not feeling well.
What is the problem?
I have a headache and fever.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Okay. Please sit. The doctor will see you soon.
Hello, please come in.
Hello, doctor.
What is the problem?
I have a headache. I feel very tired, and I also have fever.
Do you have cough?
Yes, a little.
Did you take any medicine?
No, I did not.
Okay, I will check you. You have a mild infection.
Is it serious?
No, don't worry.
What should I do?
You need rest, drink more water, and take this medicine.
How many times?
2 times a day.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Some useful expressions. I feel pain here. I need medicine. Thank you, doctor. I feel better now. That's all for today. Now you can speak at the hospital in simple English. In the next episode, we will talk about conversation at a restaurant. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share, and remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.